Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding eggless. Eggs typically provide structure and richness to pudding, but don't worry, achieving that perfect texture without them is entirely possible. We'll explore common substitutes and techniques to ensure your dessert is just as delightful. Get ready to whip up some amazing, creamy pudding that everyone can enjoy, regardless of dietary preferences. It's easier than you think to master this delicious, egg-free treat. When replacing eggs, cornstarch is your best friend for thickening. You can typically use about 1 tablespoon for every egg. Another fantastic option is agar-agar powder, a vegan gelling agent that provides a firm set. For a rich, creamy texture, consider blending in some silken tofu. It's virtually flavorless and adds wonderful body. These substitutes ensure your pudding achieves the desired consistency and mouthfeel. To avoid lumps, always whisk your dry ingredients well before incorporating any liquids. When cooking, maintain a medium heat and stir continuously to prevent scorching and ensure even thickening. Patience is key here. Once cooked, pour your pudding into serving dishes and chill it for a minimum of 2 hours. This allows it to set properly and develop its full, delicious flavor. If your pudding seems too thin, don't panic. You can gently cook it a bit longer or whisk in an additional 0.5 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of cold milk. To prevent that annoying skin from forming on top, simply press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm pudding before chilling. And hey, for an amazing clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly eggless pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.